You like drinks?
Well, did I tell you I'm a mother of 3?
A mother of 3, yes.
Right, okay.
So
you know what happens when
Yeah.
you're a mother of 3?
Right.
Let me tell you what happens when you're a mother of 3. You know, the days could be a little challenging.
the days can be challenging.
So absolutely
Yeah.
like a little something to help me unwind a little bit in the afternoon. So absolutely, I do love a bit of a drink.
Right.
And you know what they say about women like anything that is fruity is
Right.
very good.
Right.
So
Okay, so I'm in good order so far.
yes.
Because moms need a cocktail or a drink too, right? Moms drink too. Yeah.
Absolutely.
And to all the mothers out there, I have a cocktail that I hope you all try as well, because we are celebrating all the mothers today, and I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks how to elevate and create that special occasion even more. I'm gonna be adding some gin. I hope you like gin. So gin is made of botanicals like angelic root, coriander, juniper berries. Has been trending for the past 2 years.
Yes.
And I'm actually gonna be adding some triple sec, and this is none other than COINTREAU. And it's an orange liqueur as well.
So more fruit.
So more fruit. Adding 2 ounces of this. You can literally smell this goodness from right here. And behind that, I'm going to be adding 2 ounces of our blueberry vanilla syrup.
Wow, look at that color.
Yeah. And to cut a bit of that sweetness that we get from our blueberry syrup, I'm just going to be adding fresh juice of 1 whole lime. And these are some old school common limes. Yeah, these are the limes we used to get a long time.
Yeah, you don't see that much anymore.
Yeah, you don't see them much. We have a lot of grafted limes, hybrid limes. But these are the ones that has a lot of flavor. And you know, each lime really do have different flavors. Yeah. So I always say we have 1 part strong, 1 part weak, 1 part sour, which is the lime, and 1 part sweet, which is our blueberry and vanilla syrup. Yeah. So just remember that when you mix in your cocktails, you need to just get a balance of all those elements.
Any cocktail?
Not too, any cocktail. It's all about balance. When you finish make a cocktail, it's supposed to be balanced in terms of the strong. It's not supposed to be too strong. It's not supposed to be too sweet, too sour, or too weak, meaning ice weakens the cocktail. If you have juices, you know, sodas, you know, those are elements that are the weak, but if you add too much, it makes the cocktail just too weak actually. You understand? You don't want watery, tasteless style of cocktail. And another element is bitter, which is like one of the old school classic elements, but we don't always use it because sometimes bitters are not always friendly for every cocktail. So just remember that when you're balancing perfect cocktail.
I love the science.
Yeah, of
I
course.
love the science of it.
Yeah, it's part of the mixology.
How long are you doing mixology for?
So I'm actually doing mixology for over 10 years.
Damn.
Yeah, I started at one of the popular places called Shakers. I don't know if you guys know Shakers. Have you been?
No.
Okay. You've heard all the stories.
I heard the stories.
Nice. All right, so I'm actually gonna shake this from Shakers.
I like the movement.
Oh, let's see Trini shake.
Yeah, boy. The drink is matching your hat too.
Oh yeah, the drink
Love
is
the
matching.
colors. Yeah.
So when you shake, actually what you do as well, you dilute the drink, right? Have you ever tried to make a cocktail by chance?
Actually, no.
No.
But I
Why?
love the fact that I could now add this to my repertoire. I usually just pull a bottle and pour.
Oh,
So this is great.
so that would be something like wine, I
Yes,
presume, or a
yes.
little prosecco.
Correct.
Yes,
That's
yes,
it.
yes. So you never got a little creative and train a little strawberries in you?
Actually,
Yeah,
yes, I
yeah.
make mimosas.
Mimosas,
Yes,
definitely.
So I will do that.
So we do that with some orange juice.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Or
It was
sorrel.
nice too. Sorrel, oh, very good. Yeah, so you know it's nice too, like peach or grapes. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
yeah. So,
Any mimosa.
yeah, so try those.
Yeah, yeah.
So guys, I'm gonna strain this, and this is what we call a Hawthorne strainer, and we actually have a regular mesh strainer,
Cool.
right? That's your fine mesh strainer.
Yes, yeah.
We use, right? So I'm gonna pour,
Oh my.
and this is actually a drink that we don't serve with ice. Hence, I had the glasses frozen before.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Excellent.
Also looks so sophisticated. I like
Yes.
that.
It is sexy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add a little soda to this, just to give it a nice little bubbly and nice little crisp top flavor.
I love bubbles.
Yes. And we're gonna garnish with a nice slice of fresh lime. So the lime and the blueberry go so well together. Those are one of my favorite combinations. Put our lime. The next blueberry go behind it. And we're gonna rest that on the glass for our garnish.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Sexy.
Yes. So go with the lime. And garnishes, as you know, most ladies, when they dress up to go out, you know, these are the little accessories that make the whole outfit pop.
Yeah.
And that is what actually garnishes do to a drink. It helps with the appearance and the presentation. And it gives you that eye-catching, like, you know what? I like that. I want to have that. So,
Charge $10 extra.
of course, you can charge $10 extra too. Right? So, my lady, I present to you
Thank
our
you.
blueberry fizz.
I'm so excited.
Buddy, enjoy.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh,
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Mother's Day in advance.
Thank you. Wow. That is good.
Tell me, it's good?
It is good.
100%.
Yeah.
No lies.
So you get in the COINTREAU, that orange flavor is
taste
always
it.
there in the background, and you get in the blueberries.
Taste
Yeah.
it.
And what will happen? The gin being so botanical, it brings all those flavors together.
Pulls it together.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's do that again, Levi.
Cheers.
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, thank
Cheers, guys.
you. Cheers.